Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you something related to parameter, mainly share parameter. It's a very important thing. So focus on what I am telling. So generally, what is parameter? We have to see parameter meaning this when you select the element. If you see here, there's too many parameters are here. Here you see too many parameters. This also parameter and this also parameter. So we have to add some additional parameter. So how we will add? So there's too many ways. I tell you one by one. The first thing here, if you go here manage, here you see share parameter. This is the first thing. This is the important thing. Then there is a project parameter and global parameter. I have made already one video for global parameters, so for now I will ignore this one. I will go with this two. So if you go share parameter, their share parameter file does not exist. This is I was having one share parameter file, so does not exist, no problem. So now first you have to create one file. So it's from zero. So you go browse. If you have one file, you can use it. Otherwise, you will create one and you can save. So I will go to D classes. No, I will go for the desktop file, Revit classes. So I will make one parameter called SL, engineering solution. So I will save this one. So this whatever parameter I create, share parameter, it will save there. Then I will go for the group. So new group, I will make parameter electrical. This is similar to everything. Electrical, mechanical, structural, architectural, it's same concept. So let's make parameter only. So it's necessary, you can put any name whatever you want, it's a group. Okay, now here I will put new. I can put any name what I want, but here I will put manufacturer name, manufacturer name for my elements. So it's I need text, so I will put it text, but you can put any category you want, just I will put text. Okay, so I have one parameter here. Now just press OK. Now what's next? I have created one parameter. This parameter I can call anywhere because this is share parameter. I can call anywhere where I want. So what I am going to do, I am going to call this parameter to all my electrical fixtures, light or sockets or electrical equipment, anything. So what even I can call this parameter to the wire also, all the element I can call it. So I will go to the project parameter. So I will add. So here share parameter, you go to select. So you will see your parameter what you created, then okay. So it's already filled and it is instance. Don't make type, make it instance. So here you see all the elements in the Revit available will be here. Even piping, mechanical, structural, anything. So here I am going to now use just if you make check all, let's check all, and we will okay. You can select also, but for the laziness, I am checking all. So if I put okay, okay. So if I click the sockets, I have sockets here, and you will see here one parameter manufacturer name. Okay, so whatever I type here, example I type Johnson or orange or any name, Philips. Let's type Philips. I don't know so they have sockets or not. Let's type Philips, apply. So it's added to this one. So if you go to the other socket, no, empty. Why? Because I choose instance there and I select here only one socket and I edit Philips. So you can go do like this, click this one, right click, select similar, select all instance in entire project. Then you can click here, your Philips will be here, apply. So what will happen, it will all the manufacturer name, you will see Philips here. So when you are making a schedule, if you go to the schedule, right click, like new schedule and quantity. So let's go for the electrical because I choose electrical, or you can go whatever you want. For me, I am going to the electrical. So electrical fixtures, let's make OK. Now I will go to the family and type this one, and I will here go for the new. Here also what I am going to do, I call the same share parameter, share manufacturer name. So OK, then if I press OK, then you will see here all the sockets. I select on the sockets only. See you see here all Philips. So here I didn't select any 13 ampere socket. So there's another easy way to do. Just select this all here in the list and you can highlight in the model. Okay, no need, just close it. And here you can select Philips also, or any name you can type, apply. And if you go there in the schedule, see it's filled all everything. You don't need to type one by one. Also you can do from here also. You click here, so Philips. Here also you can do same. Example I am telling, you can put any other name. So you saw I create one share parameter and I call that same parameter for entire elements, and I call same parameter to the schedule also. So whatever I fill there, it will come in the schedule. Then now I am going to call the same parameter to the tags. So you go to ground floor. So let's type TG, click. So I don't have any tags, so I will load it one, yes. English, I will go to the English. And annotation, I think tag. Yeah, annotation. So here, electrical fixture. Where is electrical? Electrical higher. So let's go electrical fixtures. Open. I think it will work. Okay. Now let's go for the freehand. Now I click this here. And let's click here. So here you see I am seeing empty. So you can go for the edit family. And select this and go to the label. So here you will not see that parameter. Manufacturer name you will not see. We have to call here also. So click this one, share parameter already there. Select manufacturer name, OK, OK. Very easy. You just put it here. We don't need this one anymore. Back, OK. And load and close. I don't want to save. And overwrite. So see here I call the parameter here also. So it's a very good thing, share parameter. So I hope you remember how I add this one. This one I add from the project parameter, right? Remember this one, huh? So this is share parameter. So what I did in the project parameter, when I am adding this one, I select all. If I go for the modify, I select all. Select all, if I make select all mean not only the element, even the view. If you click here, you come here, the view also have. So it's not okay to select all. Maybe what I will do with the view manufacturer name, nothing. So maybe you need something else. So you will select only the view. But what I am trying to say, if you select all, here also combination. Because project parameter you can add for the view, you can add to the title block, or you can even add to the see if you select the wire, also coming manufacturer name. So very interesting thing, project parameter, very nice thing. And the share parameter you have to call, it will not come automatically. So practice this one, is a very nice thing. And if you add this here and you see you add the sockets, and when you go to the electrical fixture you see, oh, this parameter not coming, where it is, it will not come until you add, you call the parameter to the schedule. So keep remember this one, is a very nice thing. Also this share parameter, if you are advanced in Revit, by learning, if you are Revit, you make little advanced, you can make for the use this one also for the formula from this small gray button. Example, how I will say, you can this one, yes, here you cannot assign. I will teach you that one in another video better, otherwise it will be confusion. I will make one program or planning to make you understand very fast or very well. If I didn't upload, just comment in the video. Maybe if I forget, if I didn't upload around more than 1 month, just comment in the video, I will remember, then I will do it for you. Okay, anyhow, for now you learn this one, it's very good. Share parameters is very, very important. Also, you can add the parameter only inside the socket also, it's possible. Like you can go double undo, you can go here, edit family. Here also you can call that parameter. How? Go to here, new, share parameter, select, you can select it. But if you add like this, if you add like this, it will come only for this socket. It will not come for the other elements like switch or AC or anything. It will not come. So adding inside the family something different. Adding through the project parameter, it's something different. So there is two types. If you open the element and you go inside and you add the share parameter and you call from you call to the schedule, everything possible. But if you add everything same, nothing different. But if you add share parameter inside the family, it will take the only that particular family will take. You want to do another same parameter, you have to go to the inside the family and do it again. It will waste your time. But if you go through the project parameter to add the share parameter to these elements, it's one time like this. Very fast. Just you select whatever you want, just add it. Same what I say from the beginning. I believe you will not understand this thing in first view. So repeat it 2-3 times, you will understand very fast. If you not subscribe my channel, subscribe, and we can learn together more and more. Take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.